Good morning. Here is a Sanibel Island update as of September 29th. If you hear purring, I have two kittens sitting on my chair with me. All right, so there's some updates to the Sanibel Causeway. Sanibel posted a memo, so I'm going to read directly from the memo. The City of Sanibel received the following information from the Florida Department of Transportation regarding causeway construction activities in October and November. As part of the Florida Department of Transportation's emergency restoration of the Sanibel Causeway, ow, he's biting me, quit being mean. Crews continue work on McGregor Boulevard and the Sanibel Causeway from the Port Comfort Road to Sanibel Island. The causeway islands surrounding the temporary roadway are an active work zone and are currently closed for public access, including from the water. This is Nutmeg. She's a girl and she's being very rude right now. But she's purring. She's biting and purring at the same time. Motorists should be aware that through October and November, portions of the travel lane near the bridges on the causeway will be narrowed to 10 feet with a 1-foot shoulder and barrier wall on each side. Oversized loads will only be permitted during the nighttime overnight hours with this restriction. During the overnight nighttime hours on Sunday, October 1st, crews will shift the travel lanes on the first causeway island to the temporary roadway. Motorists should expect delays during the overnight hours. This shift is necessary for crews to raise the elevation of the existing permanent road approximately 2 feet. During the hours of 6:30 and 11 a.m., motorists leaving Sanibel should expect eastbound McGregor Boulevard to be reduced to one lane from just east of the toll plaza to Port Comfort Road. This closed lane will be used as a dedicated lane for concrete delivery trucks arriving to the project. Concrete trucks will be escorted by FHP when using this lane. Oh man, she's teething. During this time, motorists traveling to Sanibel should expect FHP to intermittently stop traffic to allow concrete trucks to cross westbound travel lanes to reach the staging area. Motorists should expect isolated flagging operations on the causeway. Crews anticipate opening all lanes between the hours of 7 to 9 a.m. and 3 to 5 p.m. Basically, the heavy trafficked times. Stop it. You're being rude. Motorists should expect uneven road surface on the causeway through the end of the year. The contractor continuously monitors road conditions and is prepared to make repairs as needed. Crews are relocating utilities along McGregor Boulevard. Motorists are asked to use caution as work activities may be close to the roadway. So watch out for construction, people. Motorists should expect periodic daytime delays for delivery, removal of materials, transfer of equipment, and for crews to remove trash from the roadway. Many oversized vehicles are crossing the causeway to assist with recovery efforts on the island. Please be patient as travel may be slower than usual. Bicyclists are encouraged to utilize another mode of transportation to travel the causeway, and pedestrians are not permitted on the Sanibel Causeway. Expect shoulder closures throughout this project. So basically, they don't want bicyclists on the causeway, but they can't really tell them no. So they're just saying be extremely cautious. Motorists are reminded to obey the posted speed limit of 20 miles per hour. Please use caution and watch for workers and construction vehicles entering and leaving the roadway. So yes, it seems like they're going to have a significant amount of truck traffic on the causeway in the next 2 months. But this is kind of like the slow season on the island, but people do travel back and forth on the causeway to get to work on Sanibel and Captiva, so this will definitely cause a little headache for them. And if you're coming to vacation on Sanibel the next couple months, just be aware that the road is still under construction. Originally, back in January, the estimated prediction of the date of completion of this road project was October. Obviously, that didn't happen because October is in 1 day. And they still have a significant amount of construction, and they haven't even started like the islands, like what they're going to do with the islands. I know there's plans out there. They want to resume like all what it had before, like the parking and like bathrooms and stuff, but that's not happening anytime soon. So anyway, there you go. That is the Sanibel Causeway update as of September 29th. And Nutmeg being the pain in the butt. Say bye.